Today, I'm gonna challenge Lex to a wheel cleaning match-off. Whoever can clean these wheels to the best condition possible, but in the shortest time frame, wins $100. Now, these wheels have not been cleaned in several years, and the brake dust is pitted into the surface. So it's gonna take quite a bit of work to get these cleaned up. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh my dear Jesus. Based on how dirty that wheel was, we couldn't just use APC because the brake was really pitted into the wheel. So what was your game plan when you were cleaning the wheel?
My game plan was just to let the acid do all the work. Rinse as little as possible. Just spray with acid, douse it with acid, and let that acid do its job. And then use as very minimal tools as I could. So yeah, less time on rinsing, more time on actually cleaning, and then do the final rinse. That was my big strategy.
So before you took off, what was going through your head? What was your strategy going into it?
I was just trying not to slip and lose time. Yeah, it was intense the whole time. I was really rushing, and I can't even. I'm still trying to catch my breath right now. My heart's beating really fast.
Wow. Official time for Lex is 4 minutes and 1 second. Lex, off the cuff, how do you feel right now?
Tired. Very tired.
Okay, now it's my turn. Speed. Oh God. Oh God. That's all I need. That's all I need. Oh, discount time. Oh, and this is definitely dirtier than a Lexus. Must be nice. Get special treatment around here. Oh God. I am speed. NANI? Where did the bridge go? This is tiring. I'm tired. Now we're very selective of the brushes that we're using because we want to get it done as fast as we can. But if you are interested in seeing all the brushes that we use to clean wheels and tires, check the description box down below and we'll have most of what we use linked down below. Let it marinate right there. Oh God. I've always had people against me in my life. That was way worse. You had it way easier. Like your life versus mine. And it's not as clean either. No. Heck no, not at all. You won probably. Okay, now let's go ahead and we're gonna draw off the wheel and inspect it in full. So here are the end results of each one. Now, first and foremost, these wheels were already in bad condition. A lot of the wheel surface is already being pitted. So even though that they are cleaner, these wheels have been so neglected that they're not gonna get restored back unless you're actually gonna refurbish them or sand them down, repaint them. So they are looking a tons better, regardless of who did it better. But if we look at the front side, if we look at for both of them, they're kind of similar, but Lex does take it a bit more. Granted, his wheel was a bit easier to clean, but nonetheless, now if we flip them to the back side, mine, it still looks way better than how we started, but of course, I still have a lot of missed areas right here. I could have done like a whole other pass, but given that I wanted to save up on time, I kind of just like said, okay, I'll just go with what I have. Lex is looking way better. There's still little marks right here, but looks way better than mine. We both have this area here, like these have been sitting here for so long that it will take a lot more time to actually get these cleaned up. These will, for the most part, come out like this if we spend some more time not in the challenge mode, actually cleaning these. So for this challenge, and probably the only time and last time Lex wins this one, moving forward, I'll make sure I take every single challenge. And this is Oscar from the future. This is our first challenge video, so let me know in the comment section down below. What did you like about it? What didn't you like about it? What kind of challenge video would you like to see? Should it be longer, shorter? Let me know in the comment section down below, because challenges is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and we want to definitely do more of these. It's way more enjoyable. It's way more entertaining than just doing a how to clean a wheel video. So please let me know in the comment section down below what we could do to improve and make things better. If you want to check out the links to the tools and products that we use, check the description box down below. But now let's go to the end of the video and announce the winner. And almost forgot, but the winner does win $100. So Lex is the winner of today's challenge, and I'll make sure to win it back at some point in the future. Lex, how does it feel?
Sounds great. Yeah.
All right, whatever. All right, that's gonna end this video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.